Grade 7 History Lesson 1 Tracing the changes through thousand years. First question. A place where documents and manuscripts are stored as records for knowledge is called as A. Store, B. Archive, C. Almirah, D. Warehouse. And the correct answer is B. Archive. Second question. The Mughal Empire declined in the dash century. A. 16th, B. 18th, C. 17th, D. 19th. And the correct answer is B. 18th. Third question. Which of the following is not the literary source? A. Travelogue, B. Coin, C. Inscriptions, D. Manuscripts. And the correct answer is B. Coin. Fourth question. New foods and beverages arrived in the subcontinent were A. Potatoes, pulses, chilies, cabbage and coffee. B. Potatoes, corn, chilies, pulses and coffee. C. Potatoes, maize, chilies, maize and wheat. D. Potatoes, corn, chilies, tea and coffee. And the correct answer is D. Potatoes, corn, chilies, tea and coffee. Fifth question. There was no printing press earlier, so the writers copied manuscripts by A. Paper, B. Hands, C. Pen, D. Prints. And the correct answer is B. Hands. Sixth question. Who brought the teachings of Holy Quran to India? A. Merchants and migrants, B. Merchants and Hindus, C. Merchants and Kshatriyas, D. Migrants and Sikhs. And the correct answer is A. Merchants and migrants. Seventh question. The 14th century chronicler Ziauddin Barni wrote his chronicle first in A. 1256, B. 1556, C. 1456, D. 1356. And the correct answer is D. 1356. Eighth question. The Shia Muslims who believed that the Prophet's son-in-law was the legitimate leader of Muslim community. A. Ali, B. Akbar, C. Khan Bahadur, D. Baba Adam. And the correct answer is A. Ali. Ninth question. An influential wealthy individual who supports another person, an artist, a craft person, a learned man, or a noble is called a dash. A. Rajputs, B. Muslims, C. Hindus, D. Patron. And the correct answer is D. Patron. 10th question. Dash was a 14th century chronicler. A. Ziauddin Barani, B. Minhazi Siraj, C. Siraj Khan, D. Sultan. And the correct answer is A. Ziauddin Barauni. 11th question. Which of the following is the holy book of Muslims? A. Gita, B. Ramayana, C. Guru Granth Sahib, D. Quran. And the correct answer is D. Quran. 12th question. Who said common people do not know Sanskrit, only Brahmins do? A. Siraj, B. Akbar, C. Birbal, D. Amir Khusro. And the correct answer is D. Amir Khusro. 13th question. Dash were collected by wealthy people, rulers, monasteries, and temples. A. Costly things, B. Documents, C. Manuscripts, D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Manuscripts. 14th question. Dash is a name derived from Rajputra, the son of a ruler, a body of warriors who claimed Kshatriya caste status. A. Shudras, B. Hindus, C. Kshatriyas, D. Rajputs. And the correct answer is D. Rajputs. 15th question. Who coined the term Hindustan in the 13th century? A. Al Idrisi, B. Babur, C. Akbar, D. Al Rasin. And the correct answer is B. Babur. 16th question. Dash framed their own rules and regulations to manage the conduct of their members. A. Shudras, B. Jatis, C. Ahom, D. Kayastha. And the correct answer is B. Jatis. 17th question. The people who copied manuscripts by hand are known as A. Scribe, B. Scribes, C. Scene, D. Series. And the correct answer is B. Scribes. 18th question. Which of the following languages was used in Andhra Pradesh according to Amir Khusro? A. Kashmiri, B. Sindhi, C. Telangani, D. Lahori. And the correct answer is C. Telangani. 19th question. Name the groups who asserted their political importance during the period between 700 and 1750. A. Marathas, Sikhs, Jats, Kashmiri, and Kshatriya. B. Marathas, Sikhs, Jats, Muslims, and Shudras. C. Marathas, Sikhs, Jats, Muslims, and Punjabi. D. Marathas, Sikhs, Jats, Ahoms, and Kayastha. And the correct answer is D. Marathas, Sikhs, Jats, Ahoms, and Kayastha. 20th question. What led to the migration of forest dwellers in the 8th century? A. Demotion of agriculture, B. Trees cut, C. Gradual clearing of forest, extension of agriculture, D. Soil damage. And the correct answer is C. Gradual clearing of forest, extension of agriculture. 21st question. The periods in which British historians divided the Indian history. A. Hindu, Muslims and Shudras periods. B. Hindu, Muslims and Christians periods. C. Hindu, Muslims and British periods. D. Hindu, Muslims and Sikh periods. And the correct answer is C. Hindu, Muslims and British periods. Thank you, dear students, for watching and learning. Please do like, share, subscribe for more videos for academic purpose. Thank you.